Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Lins Prabhakar. So I hope all you're doing fine and all is well. So here I am going to speak something about our Indian soldier who recently gave up their lives, and it's very much sad to see such a scene. My deepest respect and prayer for the departed ones and the family, condolence to the family, and also it's and also the threat which has just few days ago it has happened. I pray that the situation may calm down soon, and I hope the government are taking their full step to bring down the situation in a peaceful state. And also I would like to speak something about the issue which is now flooded with social media, so-called depression and one giving up their own life. So why one is giving up their own life? I really don't understand. See, problem will come. Every issues will be there. See, our life is with full of problems. We are here to solve it, and it is our life. It is a gift of God. We cannot just simply give up our life. See, when there is a call of God, He will take us no matter what. One day we have to go, there is guarantee, but one should not take his own life. I have seen many young boys and girls like me who are giving up their life simply because of some little failure they meet it, or some they feel rejected, or they feel some depression and all. So this is not an issue. The issue is not this. The issue is here already in your mind, that you can see, that you perceive it, that you feel that. So everything is in your mind. It depends on your mind, that how you take it. So I suggest that people should be aware of such things, that whatever there is a depression or whatever mind is facing such issues, either you should consult to a doctor, psychologist, or to a friend who can really understand, or meet your parents who really understands you, and at least they can give you some relief to get off such depression. And that is the what I see as the ultimate solution, because this depression will last only for a few days, few months, not of the whole of the life process, because it is common to everyone else. Because everybody has a problem. Some has financial problem, some has some relation problem, some has some family issue, some has some companies related issues. So this thing will come and go, but one should tackle it in such a way that it should not affect our mind, because our mind is very sensitive, and if one can know how to go through it, then he's really genius. I pray that actor Sushant Singh Rajput's soul may rest in peace. It's really sad to see that he ended his life so soon, and although he had enough of his wealth, so nothing much to worry about it. Uh, we still don't know why he gave up his life. The people are saying it is because of depression. So depression is not just giving up there. Depression will come and go, but one should tackle the situation in such a way that it should not affect your life. You should take your life in a challenging way and live it to the full. So what I want to say is that whatever situation you face, giving up your life, it doesn't make any sense. And we are here for what? We are sent by God. We are just the children of God. That is what we are here, and we should have respect for Him, because He has given us life, and it is a gift of God, and we should acknowledge His gift in such a way that we really feel the blessings of Him. And that is what I want to say is that. And I feel really sad to see such scenes, and now people are giving different their issues different. Now people are giving their own viewpoints and thoughts, that you should do this, you should do that, and commenting, So this will continue, this life process will continue, but giving up their life, it's really sad part. There is not the ultimate solution, and if one has to go through, then he has to either contact psychologists or friends, families, and sort out the issue, because it's just temporary, it's not just a permanent, because after this we get the solution. So what I'm to say is that if a person wants to go ahead in life, if a person wants to fight all those issues, then he's really a genius. Ending of life is not an issue. So that is basically what I want to say is that, and there's really sad part on this, and I pray that the situation may not happen to, if anybody comes in a depression mode. I don't want this to happen, because it's really disturbing scenes to see in the society, and it's really affect the society's mentality. So that is what I want to say. So I hope all you are keeping safe and sound, and protect yourself from all kind of worries and tensions and whatever mind issues or health illness is there. So take care of it, because your mind is your ultimate solution. Your mind is everything. It's on you, and it is your own mentality. So that is what I want to say is that, so it's not that we are not able to face that situation. You can face it, you can handle it, because your life is meant for that. You have to face it, otherwise why we are here? Otherwise, if we aren't here, then there wouldn't be any problem. We are here because there are problems, we need to solve it, and we sort it out, and we need to sort it out by all means. So it's all about mind games, and one should tackle this situation in a very, very sensitive way, in a proper way, so that one should not get affected and end up his life. So thank you very much, guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and if you are new, then you subscribe my channel, and God bless you all, and have a great time.